Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, and welcome to another video of the Diamond Trader. My name is Daniel, and today, guys, we're doing an update on Nokia. Those that you follow my channel know that I'm a Nokia stockholder. Have done various videos on Nokia before. I'll leave a link to the description or link to the playlist I have for the videos that I have done. If you're not too sure about what Nokia is, I have done a video. Go right back to the beginning. You see the first video I've done on Nokia. So the idea of this video, guys, is not to do a detailed analysis on Nokia, because I've already done that in the past. The idea is to give you a bit of an update on the news that's happening and to have a look at price action for the future. Now, it's been a while, actually. It's been quite a while. In fact, it's been just over 3 weeks since I've done an update. Now, initially, the plan was to actually do more updates on Nokia, and I was sort of debating on whether to do more updates on Nokia, more frequently, shall I say. I'm actually just looking at it now, and I'm probably just regretting actually not doing that. The reason why I say that is because there's so much news, so much good news, shall we say, that's happened in the last 3 weeks, just over 3 weeks, that it's going to take ages to go through it in detail. So probably what I'm going to plan is to do a more of a weekly or bi-weekly update on Nokia, because the news just keeps on coming. It gets better. It doesn't stop. But the price, well, the price has gone slightly up, so we can't complain there. But yeah, it doesn't move a lot. This news, there's a lot to go through, so let's get into it. I'm not going to talk anymore. Let's get straight into it, and let's summarize the news that we've been receiving from Nokia. So the first one is this was actually on the 19th of March. Pekka Lundmark was sort of talking about how it's needs constant attention in terms of the global chip shortage. So we're seeing this in the car industry, unfortunately. So a lot of EV companies are getting affected by this, and obviously this will soon have an effect on other items that require chips. So anything from your mobile phones, everything really, pretty much anything electronic nowadays, or digital electronical, has a chip. And so it's a cause for concern, and the CEO has mentioned this. So let's have a look and see what he said in a bit more detail. So the ongoing global chip shortage needs to be closely monitored, and supply chain visibility isn't as good as it used to be, Nokia President and CEO Pekka Lundmark told CNBC. It's a bit worrying, and I think if we start to look at, because I have mentioned it on other videos before, people are sort of overviewing this, because this is going to be quite a serious issue. Supply chain normally sorts itself out. It's normally a temporary situation, but I think it's going to be a little bit longer than what we think. So people are thinking like now, only 1 or 2 or 3 weeks, but we could be going into quite a few months with this sort of, from what I'm seeing and what I'm hearing in the market, this could be a big problem for a lot of companies. So so he said himself that you need to keep an eye on it, so like I said, anything from consumer gadgets to telco, from your mobile, your tablet, everything has a chipset in it. So it's let's keep an eye on this one. But anyway, let's go on to the next one. Good bit of news. Telenet introduces Ericsson, Nokia and Google Cloud as partners for the rollout of its 5G network. Excellent. Another good bit of information. Good bit of news here. Excellent to see. Nokia, I think I might have mentioned that on my last video. I'm not too sure, but I'm going to bring it up again, because I did do my video on the 14th of March, and this was actually on the 16th of March. So no, I probably didn't mention this. So they're planning to cut thousands of jobs over the next coming 2 years as part of measures aimed at shaving 600 million euros, so that's $715 million, of its cost base by the end of 2023. The planned restructuring is expected to result in a global workforce of 80,000 to 85,000, down from 90,000 employees at present, according to the Finnish telecommunication equipment company. So yeah, We did see a drop. We did see a drop slightly, and then prices have come back up. So it hasn't affected the price too much. These job cuts, but anyway, going on to the next one. Nokia partners with Microsoft on cloud solutions for enterprise. So excellent. Another good bit of information. Good news there as well. Hawaii to start demanding 5G royalties from Apple and Samsung. Okay, so this is not indirectly associated with Nokia. This could be indirectly good news for Nokia. Okay, so if Hawaii has started to demand 5G royalties from Apple and Samsung, it could mean that they could lose business or not. We'll see. So we'll have to keep an eye on this one. So it could be good for Nokia in the future. Nokia expands its 5G network to enable enhanced broadband for more customers in the United Arab Emirates. So good, excellent news as well. Nokia inks multiple deals for cloud-based 5G solutions. So Nokia recently inked a slew of contracts with leading cloud operators, developed cloud-based 5G solutions to augment its market's presence within the 5G domain. So yeah, so good. We've seen this before, and it's good they continue to do this. Again, remember the cloud part is part of their business network that they've set up. Nokia speeds up transformation to improve profitability. So this is interesting. Nokia speeds up transformation to improve profitability, sets out a three-phased journey to deliver this. Okay, so profitable growth and technology release to develop sustainable, profitable growth and technology leadership. Reiterates its financial outlook for 2021 and provides outlooks for 2023. It anticipates comparable operating margin to increase to 10 to 13% in 2023 and to grow faster than the market in the full year of 2023. So yeah, so according to this, we're looking at we could have results. We could start to see very good results in 2023. So they can start to become profitable beforehand, before expected, with even more of a bonus. Because this is what I've said always all along. People ask, why is this company so many catalysts? Why is it down? Why is it down all the time? And I've always said it's a company that hasn't done successful in the past under management. They haven't been innovative. They haven't moved forward with a CEO. They're moving forward. So what they're doing at the moment is they have a good plan, and I don't think people are interested because they're looking at the previous history of Nokia and to see how the price has been like that for years and years. And also they're not profitable yet. So that's probably an investor would say, well, hang on, I'm not going to invest in a company that's been so many years in the market and it's not profitable. So it depends how you look at it. I don't like to look at it like that, but I'm assuming that's why a lot of people are looking at Nokia in this way. Next one, Nokia supports 5G for AT&T customers with a 5-year C-band deal. So excellent, great news again. CEO bets on longer 5G cycle to catch up with competition. Okay, so Pekka Lundmark expects time-consuming 5G network investments to act as a boon enabling the Finnish telecommunications gear maker to catch up with the competition. Lundmark expects the main 5G network build-out to take twice the time of that of 4G. Delays in the 5G launch across Europe would enable Nokia to win back market share from Ericsson and Hawaii Technologies. Okay, so this is really good. This is really exciting. This is actually what we want to hear, because I've always mentioned that in the future 6G, which we're looking at about 8-9 years down the line now, is far away. But if 5G, if they can really get back up on 5G, coming strong and push get more market share in the 5G network, that would be absolutely amazing. So good. This is all talk, obviously, but we need to see this, and we're seeing it. We're seeing all this catalyst we're seeing at the moment is what's pushing this company forward. So I don't see any reason that it won't happen. Nokia achieves 5G speed world record with Turk Telecom. Okay, so again, I mean, I don't know. It gets crazy. This is news every day. Nokia Inc. deal to employ 5G services in Singapore. So again, excellent, another contract drawn there. So yeah, so that's in Singapore. Great, excellent news. Nokia and TV Azteca trial 5G connectivity for TV broadcasting. Okay, so this is not a contract, this is just a trial. But again, this is good news. This is all good news. Nokia and United Group bring next generation fiber services to millions of homes and businesses across Southeast Europe. Okay, so this is interesting. United Group deploys Nokia's next generation fiber and Wi-Fi solution to provide enhanced ultra broadband services to customers across the Southeast Europe region. Nokia is the preferred fiber access network equipment supplier to United Group. Okay, so wow. Like I'm actually getting left speechless. I tell you, every time you go through this news, I don't know. I can't say anymore. The news speaks for itself, guys. I mean, come on. Safaricom launches East Africa's first 5G network, Hawaii Avenda. Okay, good. Kenya's biggest telecom operator, Safaricom, has started trials for 5G high-speed internet network using technology from Nokia and Hawaii, it said. Okay, so good, excellent. Nokia strengthens market positions with multiple deals. Yeah, I think this is really talked about. This is actually summarising what we've been looking at the moment. This is an article, but there was one good bit of news here, which I can't remember what it is. So here we go. So Nokia, again, I want to reiterate this. We've mentioned this already. Nokia recently inked a partnership with Google Cloud. Okay, guys, this is big news. The cloud computing services of Alphabet or Google. Per the deal, the two firms will work in unison to support business digital transformation at the network edge through both 5G connectivity and cloud native applications and capabilities. Okay, so excellent. Verizon signs first private 5G contract in Europe. So Verizon Communications, one of the largest US telecom companies, on Thursday signed its private 5G contract in Europe with associated British port ADCQUSH to deploy the mobile network at the port of Southampton. So it's actually just up the road from where I live, where I live back in England, where I used to live. Port of Southampton on England's south coast is one of the largest ports for cars and cruises, blah blah blah. It will also become the first mainland port in the UK to have private 5G. Okay. Verizon in October struck deals with Microsoft and Nokia for deploying private 5G. Okay, so guys, I mean, I don't really have to say anything. What I'm reading, I'm just reading out news to you. There's no talent in what I'm doing. But if you're really considering whether Nokia is an investable company or not, and you haven't invested, I don't know what in the heck can make you invest in a company like this. But anyway, let's just continue. I'm going to shut up now and I'm just going to get on with it. Nokia for deploying private 5G. That's just a continuation of what we just had a look. Nokia and Lenovo. So they're coming up to the most recent news. We've just gone through a whole load of news, but we're coming up to the most recently. This was on April the 7th. Nokia and Lenovo conclude a patent cross-licensing agreement. Okay, so this is interesting. Nokia announced today that it has included a multi-year, multi-technology patent cross-license agreement with Lenovo. Under the agreement, Lenovo will make a net balancing payment to Nokia. The terms of the agreement remain confidential. Okay, so again, we can't see revenue, we can't see how much cost or how much revenue this is going to create to Nokia. But I mean, if you sum what we've just looked at plus this, you can almost guarantee that it's going to be good. So 2021 is going to be a banging year. Nokia to spur airframe by leveraging Intel processors. Okay, so giving them unprecedented demand for 5G devices and machines globally, establishing a scalable and streamlined network infrastructure has become a dire necessity. To deploy such 5G networks quickly, Nokia will incorporate Intel's. Okay, so here we go. We're seeing we're looking at collaborations here, guys, with generation scalable processors in its advanced guard airframe data center solutions. Okay, so good. So guys, that's the update on Nokia. Like I said guys at the beginning of the video, I will do more updates on a regular basis for Nokia. Let me know in the comments if you like these updates for Nokia. I mean, at the end of the day, it's what my audience want. Give me some comments down below. Would you like to see a video on a bi-weekly basis, weekly basis, every 2 weeks? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear that. What you have to say. I'm excited about Nokia, and I think it's quite obvious that I'm excited about Nokia. When someone asks me, is this company worth buying? I think I'm going to refer them to this video, because just look at the news alone. Obviously, we need to go back to the fundamentals. We need to look. Well, you can see this back on the video that I done right at the beginning, the first one. If you don't know about Nokia, that will give you an idea of what Nokia is about. But these updates, guys, and looking at the results, if we looked at the financial results a few weeks ago, everything's looking good, guys. And I don't know what to say. Frustration, yeah, it could be frustration. We're looking at prices. In fact, let's have a look at the price, because we haven't talked about price. So yeah, according to the technical analysis on TradingView, it remains as a strong buy, which is good. And yeah, let's have a look at technical analysis. I like to have a look at the technical analysis from other people on TradingView. So a big shout out to Craig Clausen here. So he's done a technical analysis on a couple of days ago, the 8th of March, 8th of April rather. So let's have a look. So he's drawn in a wedge formation. So yeah, it's a symmetrical wedge pattern. So it's taking the high, the lows, and boom. Looking at these levels, we could see push up, and in fact, I think it has, because these levels here that he's drawn are $4.05, and we're actually up here. So yeah, so good. So we're actually we're in this bullish zone at the moment. We've pushed up there on Friday. So according to this, the next resistance level, according to his analysis here, will be $4.21. Okay, so according to the DMI below, showing a bullish momentum building. So yeah, so we have a bullish momentum. How far does it go up? We don't know, but this looks like it's the next level. If we manage to break through this $4.21, that would be really, really good news for us investors. So yeah, guys. So yeah, remember, guys, let me know in the comments down below. What's your price? What's your price target for Nokia at the end of the year? I want to hear everyone's price target. I don't know. What is my price target? I don't have a price target for the end of the year. But who reckons it will get to $10? Would it get to $10? Anyone reckon it get to $10? Give me your comments down below. I want to hear everyone's price targets for the end of the year, just for a bit of fun. I could even give a giveaway, actually. I think I might do a giveaway on Nokia, because I'm so excited about Nokia. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to think about it. I have to do a giveaway for Nokia, so I'll think about that for the next update. So make sure you stay subscribed to the channel. Give a big like. That really helps my channel grow. And yes, make sure you do subscribe, because on my next video I might come up with a giveaway. I've just come up with it now. I haven't thought about it. As I'm recording this video, I've thought about it now. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, thank you for watching. Speak to you soon, and take care. Bye bye now.